Hey tech friends, welcome back in tutorial. In this we are going to learn how to set up parental supervision on a messenger, which will monitor your child chattings on a messenger without invading their privacy and all. So in this I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process to set up parental supervision messenger. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your messenger application mobile device. After opening that application, now you can see a menu bar option. So tap on this menu bar. Inside that menu, now you can see a setting option is there. Tap on settings. Yeah, in other you can get here one supervision option, but here it's written as a family center. So tap on this. I already created that invite link. So if you not created, then it will give some conditions, so you can read that and you can create link, but I already created. So now you can see here in this wait for response. So tap on this, and I is asking for share link. So I will share this, and you can share this link to your child for accept that link, so you can monitor his or that messenger. So in this way you can set up parental supervision on messenger. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.